This video is all about how to find the greatest common factor. So this video is going to focus on the latter method, which I like to call upside down double division. So if I look at my numbers 24 and 36, I want to find the largest number that's a factor, a number that can fit in to both 24 and 36. To do this, I'm going to have to be thinking about those divisibility rules that we learned as well. So my first step though is I want to find a number that goes into both numbers. I'm going to put that outside the house. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw an division box that goes upside down and around my two numbers. So if I have 24 and 36, I need to think, what's a number that evenly goes into both 24 and 36? Well, looking at this, they're both even, so I'm going to put 2 outside. Now, are there other options? You could have put 4, you could have put 6, you could have put 12. Any of those, you could put 3. Any of those are correct. There's lots of correct ways to do this problem. I'm just choosing 2 to start. So now I'm going to do my division, but I'm going to do my division upside down. So how many times can 2 go into 24? 12. So I write the 12 below it. But remember, I said it's upside down double division. So now I'm going to have to do 2 into 36. 2 can go into 36 18 times. I'm going to now put another division box upside down around that. So I divided the numbers outside and by the numbers inside, and I put the answers below. So now my next step is I need to keep going until no more numbers can go into both numbers. So when I look at 12 and 18, I need to think, can something else go into both 12 and 18? Well, I know that 6 is actually a factor of both 12 and 18, so I'm going to put 6 outside. If you were thinking 2 or 3, those would have both been correct answers as well. So now what I need to do is I need to do my division work again. How many times can 6 go into 12? 2 times. How many times can 6 go into 18? 3 times. I put my upside down division box again. Can anything go into both 2 and into 3 besides 1? They do not have any other factors in common besides 1, so this is how I know I am done with this part. So my last step is to multiply the numbers outside of the box to find the GCF. So if you look at my two numbers that are outside of the box, I have 2 times 6, which is going to equal 12. So 12 is the greatest number that is a factor of both 24 and 36. That's how you would find the greatest common factor.